Have you ever wanted to start a decor-focused Instagram account? Or maybe just post a few photos to show off your decor? If you're like me, you follow a whole bunch of decor accounts on Instagram, and oh, hello kitty. Look at how beautiful she is. Yes. But have you ever thought about posting photos of your own decor? In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit my decor photos for Instagram, what apps I use, what filters I use, and you're going to see just how easy it is to make your decor look amazing in a photo. Almost 2 years ago, I went from being deathly afraid of posting anything on social media, let alone personal photos of where I live, to obsessively posting photos of every angle of my studio apartment on Instagram. Okay, no. So whether you want to start an Instagram account that's totally dedicated to interior decor like I did, or you just feel super proud of your interior decor and you want to show it off in a few photos, this video will walk you through how to take your decor photos to the next level. We're all stuck at home, we might as well take some pretty pictures. Right, Hilo? She's my baby. So I'm gonna grab my phone, which is what I use to shoot these videos, share my screen, and walk you through step-by-step my photo editing process for Instagram. And if you want a PDF version of this process you can actually hold on to, you can download my Instagram toolkit, which I will link to in the description below. So first, I get the photo into a photo editing app called VSCO and slap on the P5 filter, which is one of the free filters on VSCO. Now, you'll see that P5 gives a greenish quality to the photo, which I will show you how I fix in a bit. But the reason I love the P5 filter in spite of its greenness is it gives that moody film-like vibe I like to go for. So the next few steps after I select the filter are pretty quick and simple. I just crop the photo to a 4:5 ratio, which is best for Instagram. And I also up the sharpness and the clarity. Now, something to keep in mind when it comes to sharpness and clarity is they're only your friends if you use them sparingly. You can easily make a photo look super grainy if you use too much sharpness and too much clarity. So that's pretty much all I do in VSCO. I really just use it to get the mood I want for my photos. Next step is getting the photo into Instagram for its final wave of editing. This is where I eliminate the greenness caused by the P5 filter, which is where Mr. Ludwig comes in. He neutralizes the weird discoloration without eliminating the film quality I like. Then I make a few small tweaks with the Luxe tool for some added drama, bring down the saturation a bit so it's not too intense, and add some extra sharpness. Remember, not too much sharpness or else your photo will look like multigrain bread. And what's left is a photo that's moody, a bit dramatic, and captures the spirit of my interior style, just in photo form. Now I want to share a little bonus tip that is probably the most useful photo editing trick in my tool belt when it comes to editing interior photos. And that is making your white walls actually look white in a photo, which I don't know if you've noticed is actually a very annoying issue. So for this, I open an app called Snapseed, then go straight to their brush tool. You're gonna take the saturation brush and turn it all the way down to -10, which will completely desaturate or eliminate color from anything you use the brush on. Then you're gonna use the brush and go crazy on your white walls. Completely desaturate that shit. Everywhere you see red going here is where I'm using the brush. I'm basically removing all color from the walls with this brush. What you're left with are walls that are completely devoid of color and therefore are actually white. So really, my photo editing all comes down to a combination of VSCO, Instagram, and sometimes Snapseed. Those apps are really all you need to make your photos pop. So there you have it. That's how I edit my decor photos for Instagram. Let me know in the comments below, do you want to start dabbling in the interior decor game on Instagram, or do you prefer to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show? I just encourage you to express yourself. whatever that means. Right now, more than ever, it's important to make sure you're heard and to connect with people. And I have found that the decor community on Instagram is a really great way to connect with people. Just know that you are worthy of taking up space, whether it's online, in your apartment, or in the world. You deserve to take up space, and if you have something that you want to express on social media, express it. Take it from me, I used to be terribly afraid of doing anything on social media, and now I have found it so empowering to find my voice and to express my creativity on Instagram and beyond. So that's my 2 cents. To see my Instagram posting in action, follow me on Instagram at moda.misfit. And if you're into interior style tips and apartment lifestyle inspiration, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post a new episode. And remember, your apartment and your Instagram presence is destined to be pretty, and you are pretty powerful.